Hey everyone, Simon here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a speed test between Metro by T-Mobile and Mint Mobile. So the two devices I'll be using is a Moto G Stylus 5G 2023 model with Metro by T-Mobile and a Motorola One 5G Ace that's going to be using Mint Mobile. And I'll be testing this in the Southern California area, more specifically the LA County area. So the Metro by T-Mobile using the Moto G Stylus is on the left, and the Motorola One 5G Ace that's using Mint Mobile is on the right. And I'm going to be using the speed test Ookla app, and also going to be using the same test server. And let's see what are the results in this first 5G speed test. Now you'll notice the phone on the left, the Metro by T-Mobile, has a 5G UC icon, whereas Mint Mobile doesn't. From what I read is that Mint Mobile will still be able to use 5G ultra capacity, it just doesn't show the logo. That's what I read. If I'm mistaken, please leave a comment below. But I'm getting Metro by T-Mobile 227 megabits per second for my download speeds and 10.9 for my upload speeds, and Mint Mobile I'm getting 215 megabits per second for my download and 4.35 for my upload speed. And here is the second 5G speed test using the exact same server, and the second result are a little bit different. So let's see what are the results in the second speed test. On Metro, I was getting 217 megabits per second for my download speed and about 12.3 for my upload. Now on Mint Mobile on the second speed test, I got 101 megabits per second for my download and only about 3.28 for my upload. So the second speed test on Mint Mobile was a little bit slower. Next up, I also wanted to test out the LTE speed. And for my LTE speed on Metro, I was getting 16.7 megabits per second for my download speed, 9.5 second for my upload speed. Now on Mint Mobile, I was getting just a little bit faster, 20.2 megabits per second for my download and just right about 12.1 megabits per second for my upload. So LTE on Mint Mobile is a little bit faster than Metro by T-Mobile. And here is the second LTE speed test, and the results are almost the same. So on Metro by T-Mobile, I got 20.7 megabits per second for my download and 7.24 for my upload. And on Mint Mobile, I got 30.7 megabits per second for my download and 8.63 megabits per second for my upload. So Mint Mobile on LTE is still faster for some odd reason. So those were the speed test results. And another note is that Metro and Mint Mobile don't have any premium data that you could buy. They're pretty much at the lower priority. So those were the kind of speed I would expect, at least in my neighborhood. But what are your thoughts on the speed test, and what are some of the speeds that you get in your neighborhood? Leave your comments below. And I'll also leave a link to my recent review of Metro by T-Mobile, and stay tuned because I will have a Mint Mobile review as well. If you'd like to support the channel, you can go ahead and join my YouTube membership or even my Patreon page. I'll leave the links in the description. If you want to check out some of my other MVNO review that uses the T-Mobile network, you can check out those videos right here.